Okay guys, welcome back to your third website development video tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you about listing for, well, what does that mean? Let's say for example you are creating a website with menus that are basically created using a list. And well, how does that even matters, or how does that work? Let me show you right now. So for us to create a list, we use an element which is provided by HTML called OL. OL. And then OL, this is the element. It comes with, it shows that we are creating ordered order listing. Let me show you what that means. And then this is now where we are actually doing the listing of um whatever we are going to be listing. So let me just show you. We got home. I'm just gonna copy this because I'm too lazy to type home. Let's say home products, services. Let's say contact, maybe contact us, and then let's just save that and then run it so that you can see how it shows in the browser. Well, this is how it shows. All that it shows, if you want to display like 1 2 3 4, it shows you use the word order listing, OL. But if you remove this one and change it to UL, it's going to show on all, this is on order listing. It's going to be showing bullet points, and you save that, refresh, and then did you see what just happened? So everything is controlled over here. So let's say well, where is this thing applicable? You can allow someone to like select a list of items that he or she is purchasing, or you can create a menu such as this. This is it. A listing. Did you see? A listing is used. This menu is created with a listing. So if you are to create a menu with a list such as this, you first create use the element, and then put the whatever information you want to put on the list element, and then with CSS you can position it to be in this format, horizontally instead of being in a vertical format such as this. And you can hide all this thing with CSS, of which you can be doing that later on. So well, that is listing itself. And I'll be the next thing I'll talk about is nested listing. What nested listing means is this. Well, we have this listed. We have listed well, this home, the product. Now we want to list underneath it. We want to list the list of product that we have. So we're going to use, well, OL. Let's just use that, OL, and I'm going to say LI. I really don't know why I don't put those angle bracket or whatever. So we got what is our product? For example, let's just say C++. Is that a product? No, but whatever, it just comes to my mind right now. And then we got let me just copy that and paste so that you can see that we got what again do we have? We got PHP. We got well, it's not a product, but these are software development language. But anyway, don't worry. We got CSS. We got what again? Bootstrap CSS. Bootstrap CSS, right? And let me save that, refresh. So did you see? We got product. Inside this product we have listed a lot of things that is underneath this product, just like you can see over here, our services, web application. This is how you create it here. Well, this is not the service that we offer. Not all of, I mean, this is not, this is the list, but we offer a lot of services. This were when I was creating it as a start, but don't worry, when it's on the net it got a lot of this. So well, this is how you create a menu such as this, and then you only use CSS to just make everything just work. It looks nice, and then and all that. So that is how you create nested listing. For it to work like that, we call it a nested listing. And then the next thing I want to talk to you about again is well, I don't know, but let me just summarize this for you to say that there are three types of HTML lists. There's order lists, and there's an ordered listing, and there's definition listing, but that one I didn't go through, but don't worry about it. Make use of these because these two, because they're really important. The order listing, OL, and the unordered listing. And then understood that order listing uses number like 1 2 3 4, and then unordered listing uses bullet point. And listing can be, or list can be nested inside a list, just like what we did over here. We nested inside it. If I were to remove it and put it over here, it's no more gonna be the same. Check it out. Did you see? Now this is ordered list, and then this unordered listing. Well, thank you very much for watching my video, and in the next video, well, I think I'll be teaching you about links, how to links to different different pages. Let's just say if you click this contact, where does it link you to? It links you to our contact, whereby you can contact us, and do all your things over there. You just click message and it sends and all that. So well, thank you very much for watching my video, and please subscribe because I'll be posting more. If there's any comment, please hit the comment below, and then boom, I will reply you over a period of time, I guess. Thank you once again.